Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mama Hearts Makeup and I'm just jumping right in. Usually I have like a super long intro, so you guys will probably appreciate me just getting down to business. This makeup look is super quick, super easy. I figured if you're out of ideas, kind of like I am, for Halloween, you can do something like this that's really super easy. I just removed the makeup that I had on that day with a like makeup wipe. Then I'm applying this stick paint by Mayron. This is my first time using this makeup and I mean I liked it. It's cream makeup and I'm used to using the water activated makeup in more recent years, but the cream makeup was a lot faster, I will say. And yeah, so I'm just mapping out the area that I'm going to turn into a blank canvas. As you can tell from the name of this video, this is what this makeup is supposed to signify. Like, I guess the bottom half of your face and body is a blank canvas. So I blanked out my ears, like the lower half of my ears also, and now I'm just going down the neck and chest, filling that in. I'm not going to show too much detail on this because it takes a really long time. And now I'm setting with this, it's a translucent powder, but it still does like kind of like a white cast, which is fine for this makeup look, so that's why I'm using it. I have other translucent powders that say they're translucent, which I find still has a bit of a color to it, like a slight tint, and I didn't want that. So okay, now honestly, I didn't watch any tutorials for this look. I just kind of saw pictures on Instagram and figured, oh, I can do it, no problem. So as you can see, my first foundation that I tried was a fail. It was too thick, which is good for most makeup days, but not for this particular look I'm going for because I wanted it to drip down my face. So I went into my MAC Face and Body, which worked much better. But as you can see in just a bit, it had a lot less product than I realized. So I end up going in eventually with a third foundation, and I guess I could have edited this part out, but you know, this is real life and I wanted to be, you know, straight up with you guys and also show you what not to do. So really make sure that the foundation that you're going to be using, like this Makeup Forever one, was perfect. And in a perfect world, if I ever recreate this look again, I'll go straight in with this particular foundation for this look, because it ended up being exactly what I needed and wanted for this look. But yeah, that's it. As time goes on, the drips kind of get a little bit longer and longer, which is fine. I kind of liked it. So right here, it's kind of midway. I know by the time I was done, some of the drips were longer than you see here, but yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.